All right, so this is for response question 8, part B. All right, so it says find y equals w of t, the particular solution to the differential equation with the initial condition that w of 0 equals 3. All right, so I'm given this differential equation, dw dt equals 3 cosine t over 2w. All right, so first step in solving a differential equation is to separate the variables. So I multiply both sides by 2w. So I have 2w dw, and then I multiply both sides by dt. So I have 3 cosine of t dt. All right, once I separate the variables, then I am ready to integrate. All right, so I'm going to integrate. Now, on the left side, I integrate 2w dw. So I get 2w squared over 2, or just w squared. All right, equals. Now I'm going to integrate over here. So I bring down the 3 and the integral of cosine. What is the integral of cosine? Very simple, sine of t. And then don't forget to add c. Remember, you need to add c on one of the two sides. All right, so I have w squared plus 3 sine of t plus c. All right, and so now I need to find the value of c. So I always go right away and I use w of 0 equals 3. And so I put in 3 for w, so 3 squared equals 3 times the sine of 0 plus c. And so very simple, sine of 0 is 0, and so c equals 9. So I have that w squared is equal to 3 sine of t plus 9, and so I want to solve. So w would be equal to, well, remember, we need to take the square root. And so when we take the square root, we have to include a plus or minus. So plus or minus the square root of 3 sine of t plus 9. All right, now when I have this, okay, I need to decide whether it's the positive or the negative. Now, you were told that w of 0 is 3. So the only way to plug in 0 here and get 3 is if I use the positive part, right? Because if this said w of 3 equals w of 0 equals negative 3, then I would have wanted the negative part. So w then is going to be the positive square root of 3 sine of t plus 9. All right, and so that is it.